Oh no. We just heard this crack. And we just cracked
we must have really
my windshield.
Must have packed them in way too tight.
So I think it's been about 2 years since I pranked David and filled his Model S with ball pit balls. Don't know if a lot of you saw that. I'll go in and insert a couple clips. Ball pit!
Ow! Oh. Ow. What? Eric! What the? Seriously?
There's no coming! There's no coming! Well, anyway, here I am with a Model 3 now. We always wanted to do a Model 3 and Model X and everything, should the time ever come. Well, we went ahead and stored all those balls way up in that part of the garage. And now, all those balls are behind me. So for those of you that weren't here when we did that, I went online and bought 10,000 ball pit balls. There are 17 boxes there, and each one of these boxes is almost 30 inches wide, 18 inches deep, and 37 inches tall. To give you an idea, they stretch the entire span of the garage. But we're gonna have some fun with this one. Last time I did a giveaway for whoever could get the closest on the amount of balls that fit in Model S. Well, Model 3 is gonna be no different, but we have some special prizes. We have upgraded since last time. I was actually a lot smaller of a YouTube channel back then. But we have some extra of the matte black signature Elon wall connectors, which are what we have installed. I went ahead and found some people who won them and actually didn't need them, and I bought them off of them. Well, I was able to install some other places, but I still have 2 sitting around and can't think of a better way to give one of those away.
Or we're giving away a $250 Amazon gift card for those of you who don't need a signature wall connector or who might live in a different country where we wouldn't be able to ship this to you.
So we're gonna have a contest down in the description. List how many ball pit balls you think will fit in this Model 3 right here. Definitely go ahead and check out the Model S video and the reveal video. I'll go ahead and link those down below too, and you can kind of get an idea of how many fit in there, maybe math it out. Again though, the entire trunk, whole cabin, and the frunk are able to be filled. So we have 10,000 balls here. Model S did not use all those. I actually don't even remember the final number. I want to say it was like 7,000 and change. But we're gonna go ahead and see what we can fit in to this car right here. But this time I do have David helping me. He will be here in a few minutes. That way I don't have to do this all by myself, because last time when I did it on his car, I ended up staying up overnight to do it while he was sleeping. So when he got up in the morning and went to his car, it was full of ball pit balls. I actually thought it was awesome. Can't wait to see what this one looks like. And in a future video, we will give the winner shout out. And it's gonna be whoever gets the number first, or whoever gets the closest within 1 week of this video going live. That's what we're gonna do. So if someone gets it, perfect. We'll go off all the timestamps. I'll get everything set up, and that's just how it'll work. So just make sure you keep an eye on the comment section and have your notifications on. That way when I pick the winner, I will comment on your winning post with your number and say you won, email me at this email, and then when you email me, I will let you know a special code to post onto that so I know that it's actually going to the right person. So I just need you guys to keep on your notifications and check that, because I've had some issues in the past with getting things to people, but I think that'll be the easiest way. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this started.
Are you gonna, oh, that's one.
Okay, so here's some of the bags. Some of the bags are in there, and we took the boxes, we randomized them so nobody can count what we used. But here it is. So literally, I mean, I got hella good tint on here.
It's chock full of balls.
Chock full of balls. What color is your favorite ball, David?
I don't know, but I don't like the blue ones.
Don't like the blue ones, okay.
Oh, well, so we weren't able to get the window up all the way.
So on this side, we had to keep the windows down a little bit so we could cram them in. But for Model S, what I did is I actually used the sunroof and closed the sunroof through the app, which was really helpful. There's a closed roof. So, hit close roof. But we don't have that option, so we had to do this, and there's no way to close it. It is what it is. But look at that windshield too, though. Epic. Oh no. We just heard this crack, and we just cracked
we must have really
my windshield.
must have packed them in way too tight.
Just kidding. I actually cracked it the other day. Video on that coming soon. It was not the balls.
You can see there's a chip right there. Yeah.
But anyway, I guess like that GoPro we can't even get to, and it's still recording. So there's that.
Do we want to add one or two because of the GoPro?
Oh yeah, we'll add. I think we could fit one here, and one right here.
Okay.
So we're gonna add 3 more to the total.
Okay.
We have the total amount in here saved. I mean, you can't really tell with this view. I have to get up way close.
Here's the final number. I'm not gonna show, but that's what you agree. It's the final
Yes.
number. Okay.
We have the final number. Oh, we actually could see the phone through here. So yeah, we have the final number.
Okay. That's the final number. So again, all the count how many balls there are, and then add 3. So
Yeah.
just to make up for this GoPro right here.
Yeah. So I mean, I don't know if we could get any more in it. So
They do not move.
So we actually did use a snow scraper and a squeegee to help shove them across.
Yeah.
So now is probably the most fun part of all this is we're gonna go ahead and open some doors and release the balls. We're gonna have just balls everywhere. It's gonna be ball-tastic.
Balls on the floor.
Volcano. I don't know. Comment your ball joke down below. I'd love to see them. But yeah, so this is actually probably the best part of doing the Model S is just having fun with it. We jumped in the back. We had a good time. I'm not gonna bring the dogs though this time because the puppies are a little rambunctious. I don't want them jumping on or in the car. Not great. Let's release the balls. I give you my balls.
Ballapalooza. It's like tricks.
They're still going.
It's like Ballapalooza. Oh.
Okay, I'm going in. I feel like a kid again. Okay. So I already shoved a bunch out, but...
Like the door.
They're literally everywhere on that.
Look at the dash. There's still some on the dashboard.
But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and clean this up. So that'll probably end this video. Comment down below if you guys want to see it in Model X. And we can make that happen now that we have all those cars. It'll be great. Kind of excited for that one too. But yeah, that's basically it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. As always, huge thanks to our channel sponsor, Abstract Ocean. If you guys are looking to accessorize your Model S, X, or Model 3, kind of like this one, definitely check them out, all linked down below, and using code Tesla Inventory will get you 15% off your first order. An awesome deal. Unfortunately, they don't sell bags of balls. Maybe we should talk to them about that.
We do have them. Yeah, we could be the distribution.
Oh yeah, we could be the distribution.
Yeah.
Definitely thumbs up if you enjoyed that video. Leave your guess down below and you could be winning some sweet prizes. Click here to subscribe, here for some other ones, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.